Good morning, students. Let's begin our class. In previous class, we already discussed about the chapter. Good morning, students. Let's begin our today's class. In previous class, we already started the chapter 9th, Australia, in which we discussed about the discovery of Australia, how the continent was discovered, and what are the geographical importance of the continent. Today, we are going to discuss about the location and extent and the political division of the continent. Now, when we talk about the location of Australia, it lies completely in the southern hemisphere. East, west, north, south. This is the word which comes from a Latin word. Which word? Word Australia. The word Australia comes from Latin word australis. Australis, which means southern. The Latin word Australia comes from the Latin word australis, which means southern. So it lies, when we see our planet Earth, the location of the continent is, this is equator, completely in the southern hemisphere as well as in the eastern hemisphere. Now, when we talk about the extent where it lies, so the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent. The latitudinally it lies from 10 degree south to 44 degree south. 44 degree south and the 10 degree south as lies in the southern hemisphere. And about the longitudinal extent, so it is 112 degree east to 154 degree east. Latitudinal extent is 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south, and longitudinal extent is 112 degree east to 154 degree east. Now, as the continent is also called as a watery continent or an island continent, as it is surrounded by the water from all sides. So we can see to the east is the Pacific Ocean. To the east of Australia is Pacific Ocean which surrounded it, and to the west is the Indian Ocean. And this Indian Ocean towards the south side is named as Southern Ocean. Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the continent. Tropic of Capricorn. Then in the south, towards the southeast, the Bass Strait is there, which separates the mainland to the island Tasmania. The Bass Strait is there. Again, the neighbor country New Zealand is separated from the Australia by the Tasman Sea. Then when we move towards the north, Arafura Sea is there. Arafura Sea towards the north of the Australia, and it is separated from the northwest from the Indonesia by the Timor Sea. Timor Sea separates the continent of Australia from Indonesia, and in the northeast it is separated by the Torres Strait. Torres Strait separates the continent from Papua New Guinea. This is the extent, the latitudinal and longitudinal extent, as well as its location in which it is surrounded by the water bodies. Now, when we talk about the political division, Australia is the only continent which is also a country. It is a country which is divided into 6 states and 2 union territories. Which are the 6 states? First one is Victoria. Second, New South Wales. Third, Queensland. Fourth, South Australia. Fifth, Western Australia. And the 6th one is Tasmania. These are the 6 states with the capital of Victoria is Melbourne, capital of New South Wales is Sydney, capital of Queensland is Brisbane, capital of South Australia is Adelaide, capital of Western Australia is Perth, and the capital of Tasmania is Hobart. Now 2 union territories are there. Which are they? First one is Northern Australia. Northern Australia, the capital is Darwin. And the another union territory lies is the ACT, Australian Capital Territory, that is the capital of the Australia, Canberra. The capital of Australia is Canberra, which is the another union territory of the continent. And these union territories are governed by the central government. So this is about the location and extent as well as the political division of Australia. In next class, we will discuss about the physical division of Australia. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.